Oh, Jesus. Ojena mo, Jena madubia. Ojena mo, Jena madubia. Ojena mo, Jena madubia. Ojena mo, Jena madubia. Take your place. Take your place. Divinity, take your place. Shakala barabo siara. Anabarano shakata. Ebubani gwa gakara karuela. Gakara tamwa gakara karuela. You say when we worship, you will habit the praise of your people. Ebubani gwa jina manuela. Okwangi mere obuna donisi ahuzo Onyene monye ngworo ya wegije Akana tabu amwekere kemedu Ojena muoga karakiru Muoka muo ebubebe kumbe Chijimanu akwamane chibe Ebubeni bue Chinjina bamba Ojena mo Ojena manuria Telebaraba shakataya ndalebo shaka Ele prano sukanda la brano shakataya Likranda la barararo Sibebia la karano shiara Odiri yaniri gina mumachim Uzuna muwana nanga gochukwana bube Ebubeni kwa jimakana webia Ojena mwabia wero chagilorwela The hour has come Ebubeni kwa Akana tamu Yata wekereke Ojena mo, Ojena madubia. Shalala, alamrano si brada ya. Ojena mo, I don't know how you get to this place. I don't know what has brought you here. I don't know where you're worshiping me from, but I'm here to announce to you, your time has come. Your time of liberty has come. I don't know what has held you bound. You might look like that spoon in the valley, but I'm here to announce to you, the mighty hand of God, which is well able to lift you out of every valley where the enemy has kept you. Get ready to receive your deliverance. Get ready to receive your healing. Get ready to receive your lifting. I am not interested in how you got here. I am not interested in who kept you there. But I'm interested in the power of the Almighty. Ojena mo, Ojena madubia. Ojena mo, oga karakeru. Isi monge na monge chimuni gaza. Ojena mo, Ojena madubia. Zagarabu shata. Lekana shakanta librada sitanda la bradiaba. Ekanta la shukata. Sineni Guerinata, Omogia Piarola, Sineni Guerinata, Ndi Moro Quabiaro, Sineni Guerinata, Omogia Piaro, Sineni Guerinata, Ndi Moro Quabiaro. Shalalabarado, sinanabarada, your children are gathered here, Lord. Come and show thyself.